to create a table. So I'm going to open a new blank document, make it full screen. Then you click on the insert menu, click on the table, insert table, and this tells you how many columns and rows you are going to create. So I'm going to create something with 3 columns and 5 rows, like that. And the top of each column is going to be a title. So this is the time at which I make the observation. What I see, what I hear or feel. Okay, so if after 10 minutes you want to make an observation, you write 10 minutes. What I see, the cream has started to become thick or more viscous. What I hear some sloshing. It's starting to become harder to shake. And you can see the cells become big enough for you to include all your writing. Okay, thank you. Bye.